Hello sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na star viewers, mga kapatid. Sana kayong lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, alamin natin kung tungkol saan yung reading natin. Okay? And, gamitin natin itong tarot deck na ito. I'm not sure what name. Anong pangalan nitong deck na ito. But anyway, whatever it is, gamitin natin. No? So, last year ko pa ito nagamit. And then lately, alam mo kasi mahilig ako magkolekta ng mga tarot decks eh. So, and you guys feel free to donate, mag-donate ng mga or sending gifts like tarot decks or lucky charm or anything na pwede kong magamit. And kung interesado po kayo magbigay, message nyo lang po ako doon sa or check the description below. Andun po yung information ko, yung Facebook fan page ko, and I think tinanggal ko yung number. And some videos, andun pa yung number ko. Baka mahanap niyo pa yung WhatsApp or Viber number ko doon. So again, feel free to send any donations para magamit ko sa dito sa aking hula. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga suporta ninyo dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel. Na-appreciate ko po kayo dito. And naway mabless pa tayo ni Universe, no, araw-araw. As long as kahit na hindi tayo namumuhay sa isang, like I say, mayaman, like to the highest level na buhay, ang importante buo ang ating pamilya, and we stay strong, and andyan yung mga anak natin, kung kayo may mga anak, mga magulang, and yun na lang, no? Ang importante ay we are still fighting all of our challenges, and always believe, guys, na andyan ang Panginoon natin, andyan yung mga spirit guides natin, ancestor, na siyang gumagabay sa atin, no? So, wag niyo po silang kalimutan dahil andyan po sila. Hindi niyo man sila nakikita, but then again, spiritually, they are there to guide you and sending you message. So, pay attention sa mga panaginip ninyo, mga kapatid, and believe, okay? Believe in them, believe in yourself, believe in God. So, always positive lang. Wag lang tayong bitter, no? Okay. So, spirit guide angels, tungkol saan ang ating reading ngayon. What is this? Send me a message. What is this about? Okay. Parang ngayon naman yata. Mamaya pa siguro ito gustong gamitin. Alright. Parang wala siya sa mood. But again, tabi natin yan muna, no? Alright, spirit guide angels. Anong dapat nating reading? This time. Okay. Ano natin ito? Journey. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo dito, you will be going to a journey, or maybe your life starting today whenever you watch this video, guys. So if ever na this video appears like a 1 week, few days, a year, weeks again, just to let you know, this is timeless reading. So it's meant for you na mapanood nyo ito, and your life currently. So at this moment, you are in a journey, physically, emotionally, or spirituality journey. Okay, so iba-iba po yung ating journey. Iba-iba yung lifestyle natin, and mix po tayo dito, ha. So this is a general reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Again, this is hindi po ito private reading. Yeah. So currently, so your life, see, you are about to take off, mga kapatid. So your life is about to or currently, yes, starting today, maybe at 10 o'clock or 10 days, you might be heading towards to a journey. Yung iba sa inyo dito. So, kasi mixed, di ba? So, yung iba, alam mo na mag-travel ka, may pupuntahan ka, it could be vacation, work-related or family-related, kailan nakakaalam. And, yes, yung iba dito, you are going to a journey, or it's happening, yung iba sa inyo. And yung iba naman, when it comes to a spirituality, your spirituality is starting to, or you might be in awakening You know what I mean? Like, kaya nakalagay dito journey because when it comes to your spirituality, you are in a journey. So, siguro spirituality, kayo ay nagta-travel, we'll say unconscious, through your unconscious mind or your unconscious self or sa dreams mo or your soul is like, you know, in different level. Yeah. So, again, kailan nakakaalam and mix kasi dito more on psychic and meron itong nagpaplanong mag-travel, meron itong uuwi, meron itong magbabakasyon, meron itong may pupuntahan, something about could be family related na magta-travel or going to a party. Siguro yung iba sa inyo dito, meron kasi ditong nangyayari na, kasalukuyang nangyayari na, yung iba naman dito, it will happen in few more days, maybe in 10 days, or something, maybe on the month of October, you will be traveling, yung iba sa inyo dito. Yes, and may iba ritong napaka-specific, you'll be going to traveling to an event. Baka may mag-imbita sa inyo dito na it could be event of yung masquerade. Yes, 'di ba kasi October, it's like a month of bear. So that's the beginning of a month of na busy na mga party gathering. So anytime, I would say most likely dito it's really strong month of October, guys. Yes, you will be entering into like a gathering or an invitation that you have to pack things up or magpapack ka or like I said, may mag-iimpake dito, magta-travel, pupunta ng gathering, bibisita, or someone is going to meet you. Yeah, may nagpaplano dito imi-meet ka or you will be meeting this person, yung iba sa inyo dito. Yeah, there could be a distance between you and your person. Yung iba sa inyo dito, baka may distance dito sa inyo. Someone here from afar na uuwi. This person's about to take off to meet you very soon. It could be the month of October, 10 days from now. Yeah. Okay. So, journey. So, you guys are in a journey. So, your life cycle, it's still moving forward. And this is like it's gonna be like a lot of excitement. Yes. Wow, ang ganda ng ano nito. Yung kasi 'di ba pagka umaandar na yung train, nagiging malakas na. Parang dahan-dahan muna hanggang sa mag-speed up ito. Yeah. So maybe I'm also getting like kung hindi ka pa nakakasakay ng train, ito na ang time or ang oras or panahon na makakasakay ka na or finally na makakasakay ka na ng train. Yung iba sa inyo dito. If you are seeking an idea, yes, kung nangangailangan ka ng idea to do something or something different na ma-experience mo. So maybe this is an idea from the universe for you na subukan mong sumakay ng train at para maiba naman yung scenery, yes, yung experience. Kasi meron ditong nangangarap na makasakay ng train. Wow, I would say it's like somewhere in Europe din. Yes, yung iba sa inyo dito. And I'm also getting like someone from Europe, somewhere in Europe or malamig na lugar, this person have to ride a train to meet you. So, kailangan ng taong ito, it could be an admirer kasi meron ditong admirer. I'm getting like one of your admirer or this person admires you or a lover. It's like a secretive. Ayaw niya munang i-reveal yung plano niya. Okay? To meet you. Because this person have to ride a train. Kailangan pa niyang sumakay ng train para makilala ka or ma-meet ka. But again, this person is very like mysterious. Napaka-misteryosong taong ito. Yung iba sa inyo. Yeah, you will be dealing with this person, this mysterious person. You might not know much about this person. Wala ka mang kung wala ka namang masyadong alam tungkol sa taong ito, again, this is like mysterious person that you will be meeting very soon. Yeah. Or you might be meeting this person in a train, yung iba sa inyo. Naisip ko ba yung MRT? Kasi kung hindi naman sa abroad, somewhere, I mean, anywhere, no, na maaaring makasakay ng train. Meron din namang train sa Pinas. Yes, kahit lang MRT or LRT, you might be meeting this person or a secret admirer in this area. Okay? Or during your journey na makikita or mamimit mo itong taong ito. Yes. Wow. Parang talagang mas madami pa yung information na kukuha ko dito just in this one tarot deck, ano? Okay. Spirit guide angels, ano pa ang dapat malaman ng ating okay, you know what? Let's ask more the specific journey, okay? Para mas ma-identify natin o malaman natin yung what is all about this journey. You could be in a journey of transformation, yes, transformation of something or relocation, yung iba sa inyo. Alright, you know what? Spirit guide angels, what is this journey about? For all my beloved star viewers, let us know journey. Can you explain this journey? Three of Swords. So yung iba sa inyo, wow, ang dami information. There's a journey for you to heal. Okay? So if you want to move on, mga kapatid, maglipat ka. You know? So let's say if you are, kung ikaw itong nasaktan, and then nahihirapan ka makapag-move on or healing, or if you might be trying to like a healing process, you know what I mean? Or currently na nasa healing process ka pa, para maghilom itong puot, sakit, whatever it is, could be a relationship, partnership, friendship, iba-iba yung journey natin, iba-iba po yung, yes, yung mga challenges na encounter natin, di ba, sa ating buhay. So again, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. So, as an idea for you or a message na if you want something different na mag-heal, makalimutan itong puot, para makatulong ito na makapag-move on ka finally, try to, or subukan mong maglipat. Okay? Kung nasaktan ka, if that person still around you, kung andyan pa yung tao na nanakit sa'yo, kung nahirapan ka makapag-move on, then try to transfer into something new. Maglipat ka. Yeah. Lipat na panibagong trabaho, maglipat ka ng bahay, maglipat ka ng different country or probinsya. You know what I mean? Subukan mong maglipat ng panibago or panibagong buhay para makapag-move on ka or para para malimutan mo na siya. Or I should say na that way it will be continue na maghilom yung puot, sakit, or makapag-move on ka na completely from this person or from this event na nangyayari sa iyo. Yeah, whatever the heartaches, sakit, yeah, try to travel. If you want to travel, go ahead, because yung iba sa inyo dito, you need it. Kailangan mong makapag-move on. Kailangan mo na find a way na, like a way out para makapag-move on from this event, from this situation. Yeah, mag-travel ka, or do something na hindi mo pa na-experience yung pagka-travel na iyon. Kung hindi mo pa na-experience na makasakay ng train, subukan niyo po ito, kapatid. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo dito, it's already happening na you're keeping yourself busy para makalimutan itong taong ito, para makapag-move on ka, or in general, no, na gusto mo lang talaga na mag-move forward ang iyong buhay. Yeah. Gusto mo ng changes. So if you want changes, try to explore, kapatid. Explore things na hindi mo pa na-experience. Kasi karamihan dito, napapaisip kayo na how to change my life, my lifestyle, or something different, yung environment. So again, the message for you here, mga kapatid, try to explore or think an idea na hindi mo pa na-try, nasubukan. Something different. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, nangyayari na. You are already in this journey. You are already like ready, getting ready, yung iba sa inyo dito. Because soon, Yes, you will be finally moving forward, finally forgetting all of this painful backstabber people, betrayed you, again, mga betrayal, mga sakit, puot. Yes, you're trying to heal. Especially, I'm also getting like if you have most likely kasi dito mga heartaches, no, mga pain sa puso. Yes, disappointment. So, again, subukan nyo pong maglipat. Maglipat bahay, lipat trabaho. Yeah. Okay? Or explore things na hindi pa kayo nakapunta. Or try to go do things na hindi nyo pa na-try. And then later on, malay mo, there will be like a new people na makilala mo. Yeah. So again, you will be meeting this new person 10 days from now or something on the 10th. Yung iba sa inyo dito. And this person will help you to heal finally. Yeah. And again, feel free guys na to write a journal. Okay? Kasi meron tayong journal and journey, ano? So, journal, so itry nyo pong or mag-start na po kayo from this moment whenever you watch this video, isulat ninyo o ilista ninyo yung mga plano ninyo. Kasi the more na sinusulat ninyo iyon, unti-unti nyo nang namamanifest itong mga plano ninyo. And then soon, it's gonna happen. Yeah. And I'm also getting like, starting today, whenever you start watching this video, start writing this journal because that is the day that manifestation is it's happening. And you will be starting in your journey with that manifestation, with that list on your journal. Okay? Yes, it takes time. Yung iba sa inyo dito, hirap na ako. Paano ko ba ma-achieve yung goal ko? Paano ko ba, kasi meron ditong gustong mag-abroad, pero nahirapan kang it's like you are climbing up on the mountain. Yung parang naglalakad ka sa paakyat na nahirapan ka, nabibigatan ka na, hindi mo alam kung saan ang ending. But again, at the end of that, once na ma-reach mo na yung top of the mountain, I'm getting the energy of kung saan yung time na hirap ka na, keep going, always positive mga kapatid. Because on top of that, you will reach meron kasi dito yung 6 of Pentacles. People will help you. You will be getting more guided. You will be like helping more people. Kasi yung iba dito, magsasuccess kayo. Yes, iba-iba yung journey ng ating buhay. No? You might be in a journey of a love story, relationship, iba sa inyo, finances. Meron din dito sa inyo na a journey of trying to move forward from people na nasaktan ka, na betrayed ka. But again, don't be afraid on trying new things, meeting new people. Kasi sa iyong pagta-travel o sa iyong paglilipat, you will be meeting these new people. Mamimit mo itong mga bagong tao or a person na siyang makakatulong sa iyo to forget the past, to forget the pain. Okay? Para makalimutan yung sakit, puot. Again, feel free to do things, something different mga kapatid. Try new things. Yeah. Because at this moment, kahit nahihirapan ka na, yes, nabibigatan ka na sa mga challenges, sa mga pagsubok. And again, tingnan yung pusa. Sinasabi nito ng pusa, or your spirit animals, your guides, they are helping you to lead you to the right path. Minsan, you might be walking, naglalakad ka man sa, anong tawag noon? Mahalimuot? Ganun ba yung tawag noon? Something about like painful path, yung daan na masyadong mahirap, you know what I mean? Nahirapan ka man sa sitwasyon ngayon, but again, it's part of your journey. Yes. And your spirit animals, ito ginaguide mo kayo mga kapatid, chini-cheer up ka niya. Kaya mo yan. Keep going. You are still blessed. For example, guys, like kahapon, pumasok ako during the day shift. And most likely kasi sa trabaho ko, ano ba yan? Pumapasok po ako at night shift. Yeah, so, baliktad kasi yung ano ng diwa ko during the day. Gising na gising ang lola ninyo, ang kapatid ninyo. And sa maaraw naman, talagang antukin ako. So, mas pinipili ko magtrabaho ng gabi. But this time, sinubukan kong pumasok ng day shift. And yung tipo na nilalabanan ko yung pagod, yung bored, yung something like that na pagod ako and gusto ko nang umuwi yung time na yun kahapon. So this is just an example. I-give up na sana ako, but then there's a thought na kaya mo yan. You are still blessed na pumasok ka sa trabaho ito, na para mamayang gabi, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok, at least during the day, kumikita ka. You know, opportunity mo na ito, nakikita ka. So that's why I'm trying my best na to get through all of that tiredness, kasi hindi ako sanay ng maaga or a day shift. Kasi sanay po talaga ako sa gabi. Gising talaga ang diwa ko pag sa gabi. So, that's why, again, for you guys, it's like this. Keep going. You know? Kasi minsan, sa isipan natin, there's two things. There's good and bad. Yeah. Yung good, talagang ginaguide ka to keep going, to keep moving forward, na kaya mo yan. Still be blessed. And then the other side naman, you know what I mean, na hindi mo yan kaya. Uwi ka na. Stop mo na yan. Yung ganon. Talagang dinidiscourage ka ng mga negativity energy or negative thoughts. So, again, your guardian angel, kahit na nahihirapan ka ngayon, mga kapatid, you are moving forward. You are already in a journey. So, keep going. Because once na na-reach mo na yung tuktok ng bundok, yan. You'll be feeling success, fulfilled. Lots of fulfillment. Meron dito, tingnan mo. From this, nahihirapan ka, and then pag nasa top of the mountain ka na, yan, ikaw na ito. Nakakatulong o matutulungan mo rin sila financially, kaya mo na silang matulungan, kaya mo nang maisaguyod or maitaguyod ang iyong pamilya, ang kanilang mga pangangailangan, ang iyong mga pangangailangan. Tingnan mo, at the end of the day, kalmado ka na. And that's just an example for you para to keep moving forward, to encourage you na kaya mo yan. And this is the message from your spirit guides, kaya mo yan. Tama na yung reklamo sa buhay. Sa isipan mo lang yan. But then again, kaya mo yan. Kasi hanggat andito kami para sa'yo, kaya mo yan. Yeah. Magsusumikap ka. Pagsikapan mo pa ito. Dahil alam namin kayang-kaya mo yan. Wow, this is really like a good message for you guys from your spirit guides or guardian angel na kayang-kaya mo yan. Yeah. Basta tama na yung mga reklamo dahil at the end of the day, kayang-kaya mo yan. After nyan, pagkatapos ng mga paghihirap, kasi pagod na pagod ka sa trabaho, tapusin mo na yung trabaho instead of magrereklamo ka because pagkatapos ng trabaho mo, makakauwi ka na ng bahay, makakauwi ka na sa inyo, makaka-relax ka na. At the end, also, matutulungan mo rin sila, yung mga needs nila. Makakabili ka na ng pagkain, mabigyan mo na sila ng sustento, yung magiging mas relax ka na. You'll be feeling like fulfilled or relieved. Wow, this is really a good message for you, mga kapatid. So, again, you are currently in a journey, yung iba sa inyo dito, in a journey of painful, betrayal, backstabber, friendship, family. Keep going. Kung nahirapan po kayong move on from these people or from this event, again, I do advise you guys, try to transfer to a different location or relocate yourself or different job or business kung gusto mong maiba para makapag-move on sa taong ito or from these people. So again, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mga kapatid na magsulat ng journey or journal. Okay? Yung mga manifestation ninyo, mangyayari na at the day of, or during the, or that day na na sinulat nyo na doon sa notebook ninyo o sa journal ninyo yung mga plano ninyo sa buhay. Like sa example, gusto mo mag-trip or family trip, magbakasyon, and then that's the beginning of the day that manifestation is happening. Okay? Just believe in yourself and keep going kasi andyan lang sila, yung mga spirit guides mo, spirit animals, because at the end of the day, you will be helping these people. You will be feeling relaxed. Kasi meron dito na one day, everybody will rely on you. Siguro nga, currently, pamilya mo, mga anak mo, mga katrabaho, company, something like that, kasi iba-iba yung status natin, they might be relying on you, lahat sila ay nakasandal sa'yo, may hirapan ka man or nahihirapan ka man currently, but at the end of the day, you will be reaching your goal. Makakapagpahinga ka na rin, kaya mo na sila masuportahan, matulungan, and everybody, lahat sila ay lalapit sa'yo to rely on you. Hihingi ng tulong sa'yo. And I'm also getting like, one day the person na binitray ka, kapatid, this person will ask your help. Hihingi din siya or babalik din siya para hihingi ng pagpapatawad sa'yo at tulong. Kasi one day, makikita ng taong ito na, wow, si ganito ganyan, nag-success na. Ang ganda na ng buhay niya kumpara sa akin. Maybe this is the right time for me na hingi ako ng tulong or pagpapatawad. So it's up to you guys if you want to help this person or approach this person. But again, walang mali sa pagpapatawad. Because forgiving that person will help you to keep moving forward. Na siyang makakatulong sa iyo, to let go all the burden and to keep moving forward para ma-achieve mo yung success sa buhay. Yeah. Ganun talaga, no? Kung noon, hirap na hirap ako, ngayon, inggit ka ngayon, ano? Yung ganun. So, again, hayaan mo lang sila. Alam mo sa generation ngayon, hindi na kailangan na magpapa-impress ka pa. Hindi mo na kailangan na mag-revenge ka pa para lang sa taong iyon. Yeah. Because you don't know the whole story behind the story of that person. Kasi lahat tayo iba-iba. Iba-iba yung journey natin. Iba-iba yung experience natin. Yeah. If that person hurts you, wronged you, ginawan ka ng mga chismis, or nasaktan ka, iniwan ka, may mga third party, hayaan mo na like again, let go, let God. Okay? Just focus ka na lang sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa mga pangarap mo, and then one day, you'll be like, yung reminiscing from the past na, wow, ang layo pala ng narating ko. I can't believe this. Nagiging successful na ako ngayon. Tuloy, itong taong nasaktan ako noon, itong taong na yung inapakapakan lang ako kasi mahirap lang ako, ngayon, mas mayaman na ako sa kanya. Ngayon, masaya na ako kahit nag-iisa. Dahil ipinagpalit ako sa taong ito, may third party, ngayon yung person ko, yung ex-person ko ngayon, parang mas maganda pa buhay ko ngayon kaysa sa ex ko na pinagpalit ako sa iba. Yung ganong energy. So, then again, you don't have to expect you know what I mean, like expectations na I would say like revenge. Hindi mo na kailangan na mag-revenge, kapatid. It's because na mas maganda pa buhay mo. As a reminder, pagka dumating ka na sa point na naging successful ka na, you can remember the moment na, or parang pinaparemind din ni universe sa'yo, wag lalaki ang iyong ulo. Okay? Especially for those people na sinaktan ka, iniwan ka sa ere, binitrade ka, or may tawag doon, lapas, ano ba yung tawag? Ay, nako, ano ba to? Lapastangan yata ang tawag noon. You know what I mean, na dahil mayaman sila, ganyan-ganyan, tapos ngayon, mas mayaman ka pa sa kanila. So again, hindi mo na kailangan mag-revenge para lang doon. Keep going. Keep going kasi yung mga taong sinaktan ka, iniwan ka, you know what I mean, did wrong to you from the past, si universe na ang bahala sa kanila. And those people will be facing their karma. And you are in a journey of success. So keep going, mga kapatid. Yeah, this is very a good message for you. Okay, so hindi na natin patatagalin tong reading na ito. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, let us know. You know what? Alamin pa natin itong mystery message. Alright, let us know what is this all about. Or can you tell us a message? Okay. Wow, a gem. So guys, you guys are like a gem. Gain 50,000 GP. I don't know. In gold and gems. So, wow. So you're like a gem. You're like a 1 in a million. So, tingnan mo. I'm also gonna like walk as a shaman. You guys are like one of a kind. You are walking through the path, through this journey. Siguro mahilig kayo sa gold. Yung iba sa inyo dito, napaka-specific. Meron itong ikakasal. Wow. Meron itong ikakasal at magsusuot ng maraming gold. Like this. The energy that I'm getting. So, example sa Turkey ba yun? Mga Turkish, di ba? Pag kay kakasal, may mga gold silang sinusuot, mga malalaki, or yung mga Indian. So, you could be going into that event, either ikaw ikakasal or ikaw itong pupunta sa event na magsusuot ng gem or this kind of jewelry. Yeah. You are heading towards that journey. Ikaw ay pupunta in that journey of, could be, like again, nasabi ko na kanina, you will be going to this journey of a traveling, invitation, a gathering, okay? A party gathering, wedding gathering, reunion, yung iba sa inyo dito. Okay. And I think I'm also getting the energy of, siguro ikaw tong, or this is the right time for you na mag-invest sa gold or mga alahas. Okay? Or this could be you currently, napaka-specific, na mahilig sa alahas or nagbebenta ng mga alahas. Okay? And that's why you're watching this reading. So if you're looking forward na mas mag-improve ang iyong negosyo, maybe this is a best business about jewelry, gold. Maganda kasi yung profit ng mga gold, ano. Habang tumatagal, tumataas din yung anong tawag noon, yung ano ng gold. Yeah. Parang property din sila. So, what else? Angel guides. My spirit guide angels, advice for all my beloved viewers here, please. Oops, sorry. Unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Yes. Wow. So, kung napapansin nyo guys, itong babae ito ay nakatalikod, and the same thing for the guy na nakatalikod din, napaka-misteryoso. If you're feeling like this relationship, or if you are currently in a relationship, mga kapatid, kung ikaw itong kasalukuyang hindi masaya, or siguro there's like a red flag, you might be dealing with a red flag, third party, or chick boy, itong taong ito, or chick girl, it's time to turn your back away from this person. Find somewhere else. Find someone else. Somewhere else or someone else. Because this is unrequited love. It's not enough. Okay? Maybe there's no chemistry anymore. Kung hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka na kontento, or something's fishy about your lover or in this relationship, it could be partnership, it's time to move forward. Let go and transfer. Mag-transfer ka. Maglipat ka. Whatever na paglilipat ito, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Okay? So hanggang dito na mga kapatid. Mag-ingat po kayo again sa relationship. Kung hindi nyo po alam, your angel guides guiding you or to let you know that your person, yung iba sa inyo dito, okay, na, siguro you are dealing with a chick boy, chick girl, may iba, okay? I mean, follow your intuition. So, kung may ibang routine sa person ninyo, or parang weird, yung mga ganap niya, then try to research nyo bago nyo iwan yung partner ninyo. Yeah, or hindi naman agad iwan, kausapin nyo muna. Yeah. Kung totoo ba to, ganyan-ganyan, betrayed, or yeah, alamin nyo muna bago nyo biglang, I will say, break up, iwan tong taong ito. Confront nyo muna. And again, kailangan talaga na may sapat kayong kaalaman, may sapat kayong katibayan. Yeah. Kasi you might be dealing with a person na ang dami-dami niyang mga kalukuhan. This person is really like a liar. Yeah. Mahilig magpalusot. Ang dami niyang palusot. So again, pay attention. Yeah, your guardian angel is sending you this message to let you know. Kasi yung iba sa inyo dito, ang dami mong walang alam sa person mo. Yeah. Meron kasing, this person is really like a sweet talker. Ang lambing-lambing ng taong ito. Or talagang, like again, magaling siya magpaikot ng isang tao or specialist to you. So it's not just about relationship, guys, ha? Sa mga manluloko dyan, para hindi kayo maloko, wag magpaloko. Alright? So hanggang dito na lang, mga kapatid. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Maraming salamat po.